Did you know the regulation behind your crypto exchange could be one of the biggest factors in protecting your investment? In the often wild west of crypto, the term regulated gets thrown around a lot. But what does it actually mean for a major player like Gemini in the US, and specifically, what's the significance of their New York State Department of Financial Services license? Let's break down Gemini's regulatory status and why their NYDFS connection is a game-changer for digital asset safety. In the US, state-level regulation can be just as important as federal. New York, in particular, established one of the first comprehensive regulatory frameworks for virtual currency businesses with its famous, or infamous, BIT license. Now, this is where Gemini's status gets interesting. Unlike companies that hold a standard BIT license to operate, Gemini Trust Company, LLC operates under a limited-purpose trust charter granted by the NYDFS back in October 2015. Think of it this way, the BIT license is like a special permit for a new type of business, while a trust charter is a designation usually given to traditional financial institutions like banks or trust companies. By getting this charter, the NYDFS is essentially treating Gemini as a fiduciary and a qualified custodian under New York banking law. This license is incredibly important for several reasons. First, enhanced consumer protection. As a New York trust company, Gemini is subject to the same stringent compliance standards as a bank. This includes mandatory cybersecurity programs, anti-money laundering or AML checks, and, crucially, being a full reserve exchange and custodian. This means customer funds are held one-to-one, segregated from Gemini's operational funds, and available for withdrawal at any time. Second, the NYDFS imposes strict excess capital requirements. Gemini is required to hold capital in excess of customer deposits, and they are subject to bank-style examinations and annual audits by the NYDFS. This oversight is designed to ensure the company's financial stability and safety and soundness, providing a level of security that many unregulated exchanges simply do not offer. However, while regulation provides a strong foundation of safety, it's not a complete shield, as the company's history with its Gemini Earn program shows. Following the collapse of their lending partner Genesis, the NYDFS did take enforcement action, securing a significant settlement and a commitment from Gemini to return over $1 billion to Earn customers. This high-profile enforcement highlights the ultimate point. Being regulated by a body like the NYDFS means that when things go wrong, there is a clear, powerful regulator there to step in, investigate, and enforce consumer restitution. So, in short, Gemini's NYDFS trust charter places them in a unique and highly regulated category within the U.S. crypto space, offering certain assurances of financial oversight, capital requirements, and consumer protection that are rare in this industry. It's their attempt to build trust by following the ask for permission, not forgiveness mantra. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.